In today's fast-paced logistics environment, businesses face challenges in their warehouses and the distribution centers, like poor space use, heavy forklift traffic, labor shortages, and handling inefficiencies, things that hinder productivity. The Daifuku Unit Load ASRS solves these challenges, enhancing intralogistics. Designed for high-density pallet storage, our Unit Load ASRS is ideal for supporting manufacturing and the distribution of food, beverages, machinery parts, and so many other goods. With a huge number of installations under our belt, we know that our system delivers efficiency and reliability. Customizable layouts and configurations, such as single dip and double dip, let you optimize your available space while maximizing storage capacity and streamlining your operations. Stacker cranes can reach up to 40 meters, making efficient use of vertical space for high-density storage. By automating handling and reducing forklift traffic, the unit load improves efficiency, speeds up cycle times, and lowers cost. We welcome you to reach out to us and explore how the unit load can enhance your operations and meet your storage needs. With decades of experience, we are here to support your journey toward efficiency.